fire this up and put my tongue to it, it's gonna hurt. I'm not doing that.
We don't want nothing pretty. We just want something funny.
I'll give you something funny, but I ain't hurting myself for free.
Funny is not always pretty, Albert.
If it involves pain, it's not for free.
I'll send you a drone. Who are you going to send a drone to, DZ?
Do it 4 times? That's insane. 4 times? That's insane. 4 times? That's insane.
So 4 times you stick it to your tongue, DZ said he'll send you a drone. So 4 times you stick it to your tongue, DZ said he'll send you a drone. So 4 times you stick it to your tongue, DZ said he'll send you a drone.
You want me to stick it to my junk? Stick it to my junk. Stick it to my junk. Stick it to my junk, man. We'll have to start a private stream for that.
Offers on the table.
It's not shocking me. Nothing's happening.
Nothing happened. Nothing happened. Nothing happened. Nothing happened. Nothing happened.
Fuck, that hurt. Why was nothing happening for the longest time and then all of a sudden it decided to shock me? Look, I will even turn it around so you can see the light is on. I don't know how I'm going to keep it in angle. Oh. 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 Ooh. Did you see that spark that time?